When your sink is on the brink, just call Wish Granted. Water heater blow, oh no, call Wish Granted. Sewer like it's...
We're over here in Huntington Beach at the T-Mobile, switching out main shutoff valve for their double check backflow assembly. The guys are prepping the surfaces now so we can get a proper seal there. We're going to be replacing this 4-inch valve here for an existing customer here at T-Mobile in Huntington Beach. Another wish granted for our neighbors in Huntington Beach.
Reliable, dependable.